lot of leftover toilet paper rolls in your house? Well, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy craft that you could do for Christmas time using them. So keep on watching to learn more. Hi, I'm Amy, pediatric occupational therapist and founder of Playapy, and I'm here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Quarantine has left a lot of us with a desire to stock up on toilet paper. So you might have noticed that you have a lot of extra toilet paper rolls available in your home if you save them. They are great for crafting activities. As you can see in a previous video we did for Thanksgiving with our turkey toilet paper roll. Today I want to show you how to make an angel. It's a simple activity that you can do with kids as young as preschoolers and ages up. This idea is a great way to create a simple memento for the little angel in your life. So let's get started. All you really need for this activity is your scissors and your glue and decorating supplies as you please. This activity only requires one toilet paper roll. What you're going to do is we're going to cut it into pieces. But first, we are going to color it. So if you want to have this designed in different ways, you are going to want to paint it before you cut it. So you can paint it various colors. Just make sure that you do that before you cut, otherwise it's going to make your activity a little bit harder to do. Once it's painted and dried, then we are going to cut away 4 strips. So they're going to be small, maybe about a half of an inch or smaller, and you're going to cut from the end 1, 2, 3, 4 times. From there, what you're going to do is take one of your rings and you're going to snip it once so that it becomes just long. That is going to be the piece that you are going to attach to the top of your roll, and it is going to provide a stabilized point for your head and your wings. You can use glue for this activity, and you can also use staples or a hot glue gun. The hot glue gun is probably going to give you the fastest results and the best results. But if you're working with really small children and you don't want them exposed to a hot glue gun, you can just use regular glue. It just takes a little bit longer for it to dry. Then you're going to take your other pieces and you're going to glue them on the sides, squeezing the wings a little bit to give them points, and placing your head right on the top. From there you have your angel and you are free to decorate it as you please. You can use glitter and put initials on one. You can use stripes or shapes, or maybe even use hole punchers or stamps in order to decorate on top of your color. And if you want to get really crafty, you could even use twine and glue it all the way around and create a nice looking angel. Add your ribbon to the top, and then you're going to have a way for you to connect it and put it onto a tree. It's a simple activity, but it's a nice way to work with a simple craft that is very inexpensive, and you can create any different type of design that you want. It allows for a lot of creativity. One of the things that's really great about this activity is that you give a child an opportunity to work on hand strengthening by cutting away with that toilet paper roll. And you also have opportunities for fine motor skills when you are decorating. Another thing is that you are holding your roll while you're gluing it, so you're using bilateral coordination skills. If you are working with a group of kids and you want to do the gluing for them, that's okay as well. You could just have them decorate their tube and paint their tube, and that can be a fun activity in and of itself. I'd really love to see your designs and what you create, so please send us examples so we can see them and share them with others. I'll see you in the next video. Did you like this video? I hope that you did. If you did, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, or leave a comment. You can also head over to playapy.com where you can sign up for the monthly newsletter. You'll get discounts, news, and more. Plus, you can check out the award-winning PALS handwriting program. So I hope to see you over there as well. Until the next video, have a playful day.